You're managing an Azure web application for an e-commerce platform and need to automatically increase logging verbosity when the application detects unusual traffic patterns. The goal is to minimize manual intervention by your IT team. Which two of the following resources are necessary to achieve this automation?
The options are Option A, an Azure Automation Runbook. Option B, an Azure Monitor Alert configured with dynamic thresholds. Option C, an Azure Monitor Alert configured with static thresholds. Option D, Azure Monitor Autoscale configurations. Option E, an Azure Monitor Alert triggered through an action group that sends email notifications.
This scenario revolves around creating an automated workflow for system diagnostics. It involves two main parts: the intelligence to detect when normal usage deviates from the baseline, and an automated mechanism to carry out the response. Consider how each option impacts administrative overhead and whether it provides the level of automation needed to handle unpredictable changes in traffic.
In my view, the correct answers are Option A, an Azure Automation Runbook, and Option B, an Azure Monitor Alert configured with dynamic thresholds. To handle anomalous traffic without constant oversight, you need a detection tool that learns from data patterns. Dynamic thresholds are perfect for this because they adapt automatically, unlike static thresholds, which would require you to manually adjust settings every time the environment changes. Once the alert detects an issue, an Azure Automation Runbook is the ideal resource to trigger the actual change in logging settings. Other options fail the efficiency test. Static thresholds are prone to error. Autoscale only manages infrastructure performance, like CPU usage, not diagnostic logs. Finally, sending an email through an action group fails the requirement for automation, as it forces an administrator to take manual action, which is exactly what we want to avoid here.